Which BMWs are made in India? Well, they're kitted in Berlin and sent all the way to India, assembled in India, and then sent back. But the reason why they do that is to save a buck when selling these in India. This is the rebound, this is the compression. Okay.
Now it will fit.
Okay. Ah, now it fits. Oh, so you get the correct mirror.
We get the correct mirror.
Correct mirror on the correct
By
side.
many bikes.
So a lot of them, they don't do that though, do they?
But they do a lot.
No, a lot?
Maybe 50-50,
Oh.
60-40 in this way.
But all BMWs or
Yeah.
all BMWs? What about Triumphs?
The older ones, yeah. The newer ones.
Ne? You've done this before. Oh, my RT is the same way though.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now it's starting to look like a motorcycle. I think I'm going to like this bike. Fetish, huh? Oh, there's the keys.
Yeah. Oil and water already in it.
Oh, oil and water are in it. Okay, yeah,
Water in it.
yeah. And
Fluid too.
so all you guys have to do is add gas.
Yeah, gas. Put the battery on. Tighten all screws if they are already tight.
So then the battery,
Yeah. I think we can do this.
oh, there's the key. Oh, there. That is, Ah, yep, disconnected though.
Jawohl, yeah.
Ah, this is the air box, the air filter. That looks like it's easy to change. Just pop some 2 screws
Yeah. 4.
or 4? 4, ah, one there. So these, you don't have to add anything to this? No fluid? Nothing?
It's already added.
That's
you
all?
see, you see this one?
Yeah.
This is normally open,
Oh, okay.
but it seems it's.
Well, that's why it
If
says,
they yeah.
that's why it
in
says
the-
do not open.
Yeah.
So what do you think? Do you think it'll start? You think it'll start? All right, we're going to find out if this thing starts straight out of India, aren't we?
Do it.
You think, Christian thinks it will start. All right, let's find out. That's nice. 1, 2, 3. I like that. Wow. Oh, I always like doing that. Let's try it.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like the battery works. This is the first time. We haven't turned it on yet. What does that say?
To fuel tank.
Yeah, we. Oh, okay. Huh? Let's see. Oh. Oh, it started. Wow.
Yeah, it sounds good there.
That's the 135 degree.
Sounds very good.
It sounds.
Have to buy one.
No.
I have to buy one.
You have to buy one.
Yeah,
I've got enough.
until tomorrow.
So this is the normal 6.5 inch
Yeah.
TFT on every
bike.
except like my RT. That's a 10 and a quarter.
16. I take a ride,
Okay.
then we'll do this.
Okay. First time.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
There you go.
I think it's
Yeah.
already there. If you around the building,
They're the same what you did
yeah.
Or-
So, yeah.
right here. I'm liking it. This is nice. So you can, no. So if it's in first and you put the kickstand down, then it shuts off, right? Let me try it. Can I start? No. Okay, now let the clutch out. There we go. It doesn't do anything. But I have to put it in neutral. There. Now, there. It stays running. Okay. I like it. I must buy one. This is cool. Thank you.
Gerne.
Thank you, thank you, thank you for putting this together. Okay, you have to tell me, is it any good? It's got an E-clutch. Is this an option or is this standard?
Option.
It's an option. Okay. And how is it?
Look at this.
Oh no, had no clutch. Yeah. No. Yeah, go, go. There. That's the normal. Okay.
Daylight.
Okay, so that's at night, and then that's daytime running light. It still has, here, go back to the daylight, or yeah. It has the X from the 1300 GS.